Hi and welcome. Today we're going to learn how to create a stunning AI video using Hypergrow's end-to-end chat interface. Let's dive in and see how it works. First, you'll need to enter your product's URL, or any website link you'd like to showcase inside the app. For this demo, I'll be using Starbucks as an example, and pasting their website link here. In just a few seconds, Hypergrow generates a summary with the key hooks, target audience, and unique selling points of your product. This summary includes separate sections for hooks, target audience, and USPs. You can also add more points to each to make it even better. The richer the details you provide here, the stronger and more tailored your final video output will be. Next, you'll see that Hypergrow has automatically created a beautiful script, complete with visuals and audio. If you'd like, you can edit this script and even add your own points to make it more personalized. Now, you'll notice multiple options for the voiceover as well. You can pick and choose the one that best fits your video, generate it, and listen to the preview. Along with this, you can also set the video duration, whether you want it to be 20 seconds, 30 seconds, or more, depending on your needs. Now click on Proceed Further. After waiting a few seconds, you'll get a detailed screen where you can add a bit more information. This helps refine the details and makes your final output even better. Next, you can also select the video's aspect ratio as per your requirement. Now, you'll see a few toggles here, where you can choose to add background music, captions, a logo, or even end slates to your video. Now, as you can see, I'm adding a logo to the video. Now, as you can see, you can also add assets, such as photos, to your video. If you want to use any specific asset, simply upload it here. For example, I'll be adding an asset that I want to include in this video. Now, simply click on Generate Video and wait for a few minutes. After a few minutes, you'll get a scene-by-scene breakdown of how each part of the video will look. You'll also see an edit option to make any adjustments if needed. Here, you'll also see an Include Product toggle. When enabled, the asset image you've added will appear in that particular scene. I'm turning on the toggle now. Now it will regenerate the same scene, but this time with the product image included. Now, as you can see, the product photo has been added to the scene. All the scenes now include my product images. Finally, click on Bring It to Motion and wait for a few minutes. Now, after waiting for a few minutes, you'll get a scene-by-scene breakdown of the clips. Small detailed video segments showing how each part of the video will look. Now, click on Generate the final video and wait for a few minutes. After waiting for a few minutes, your entire video will be ready in front of you, complete with music, captions, logo, product image, and everything you've added so far. You can preview the video and download it whenever you're ready. Also, I thank you for watching. Hope this tutorial helped you get started with creating your own stunning videos.